SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to enable character preview on iPhone 14. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you often have trouble telling what letter you're typing on your iPhone when you use the keyboard, then you could benefit from a feature called character preview. You can enable character preview on your iPhone 14 by opening the Settings app. You can then scroll down and select the General option, and then you can scroll down again and choose Keyboard here. Now you just need to scroll down a little bit until you find the character preview option, and then you can tap the button to the right of that to turn it on. Now you can go to an app that uses the keyboard, such as Messages, and then you can open a message and tap inside the field, and you'll note that as you start to type that you're going to see a little preview of a letter appear as you touch that letter. It's a little more prominent when you press and hold on a letter, but it can be a really useful way to make sure that you're typing more accurately, or if you often have trouble telling what letter you're touching as you use the keyboard.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.